You really can't put a price on a view like this.
Welcome to another Door Experience. I'm your host, Tim Rist, and today we're going to be exploring a well-kept retreat on the north edge of Corvallis.
This home's elevated placement gives you an impressive vantage point of the Willamette Valley, all the way to the Cascade foothills, while also keeping you out of the floodplain. Whether you're relaxing or entertaining in the updated living room, this view is with you. When you're sharing a meal in the dining room or barbecuing on the back patio, it's right there, elevating the experience.
Wake up to the morning light as it pours through your east-facing windows of your master bedroom, giving way to a spa-like bathroom, including a walk-in shower with plenty of space for two. And it's not just sunrise views here, but also sunset views that you can enjoy from your kitchen while preparing a meal for your family.
Watch the colors of the sky and seasons change from the privacy of your massive front lawn.
Whether you're tending your orchard and gardens, working out of your shop wired for 220, or enjoying a campfire with your people, this place is ripe for your enjoyment.
The home has been updated extensively and is move-in ready with fresh paint, new windows, and a new roof. The new asphalt driveway is designed for you to conveniently navigate your toys and trailers around the property. Speaking of convenience, this location is clutch. 6 minutes from downtown Corvallis and only 8 minutes from downtown Albany. You're right in the sweet spot. Miles of world-class biking and hiking await you in the hills just north of Corvallis. And if you need a beach day, you can be out your driveway and walking along the Pacific Ocean in just over an hour. This special property needs to be experienced to be fully appreciated. It's so rare to find this kind of space and this kind of view under $1 million in such a prime location. And it's now available for you and your family.
Thanks for tuning in today. Again, I'm your host, Tim Rist, with Discover Oregon Real Estate, where we're here to help you find your people and find your home. Thank you so much for watching our video. To tune in for more Oregon real estate news, including a monthly market report, hit subscribe and we'll keep great content coming. Thank you for liking it, sharing it, and we'll see you guys next time.